Hey you guys and welcome back. Today's video is something I am honestly I never thought I would be actually nervous to ever film a video, but today I am. Okay, so by the title of the video, you can obviously tell that I'm going to be reacting to some of my Instagram pictures. Now, some of you know this. Because you also follow me, but a lot of you might not know this, but I actually also have like a personal Instagram account which is a private account. But yeah, some of you do follow me there actually, and that is the account that has a lot of my actual pictures of me, and I'm gonna be reacting to some of those pictures today. So let me give you like a quick glimpse. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry, I'm getting the glare from the window, but yeah, this is kind of a glimpse of my personal Instagram account, and I'm going to be reacting to some of my pictures. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the number generator on Google, and some just generate numbers, and whatever number Google gives me is like that particular post. Like for example, if Google says number 5, then my fifth picture on Instagram is the one that I'm going to react. I'm going to tell you when the picture was posted. I'm going to tell you kind of like the story behind the picture, and what it reminds me of, etc. So yeah, I have a total of 44 pictures on my Instagram, on my personal Instagram, and the first number is 16. So we're gonna go back to Instagram, which is 16th picture that I posted. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, this is a really cute picture. Let me show you. So this is me with three of my friends. Um, so obviously this is me. I know I look very different. A, because I'm wearing specs, and this is a picture from 2016. Okay, so 2016 was when I was in junior college. I think it was 11th. This is August. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was either in 11th, maybe 12th. For some reason, I feel like I was in 12th, but yeah, again, I'm not sure. I will go back and calculate and let you know if it was 11th or 12th. But the caption says, enjoyed a lot, hashtag Papa's cream, hashtag ice cream, hashtag faves, hashtag lifelines, hashtag good hair day. Now when I look back at this picture, I don't think it was a good hair day. I literally have like a hair tie on my like wrist, if you can see. But yeah, this is me with three of my friends. One of our friends, I think she left earlier, so this is basically me with one of my junior college squads. So I had two groups of friends in junior college. I still do. I'm friends with all of these people still, and there is one more girl who's for some reason not there in the picture. But yeah, this is from, I think it was one of their birthdays. I think it was her birthday, the girl who's wearing a burqa of sorts. Yeah, I think it was her birthday. But yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, Papa's Cream was this restaurant, which is, it's not a restaurant actually. It's like a ice cream parlor that is close to Churchgate. My junior college was actually in Churchgate. I'm a student of Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics, but yeah, it's in Churchgate, and Papa's Cream was close to my college, which is why all of us went there for ice cream. And yeah, this picture is basically from there. I feel like I've given you a lot of other background information as well, but yeah, we're gonna move on to the next picture now. Mm, okay, 40. Okay, the second number is 40, which was my 40th post. Let's see. Okay, this is one that I am not very proud of. Um, I do like my hair, and by the way, love this filter on Snapchat. I don't think this filter is on Snapchat anymore, at least not on mine. The caption is Bay's favorite, and I'm referring to my best friend. So yeah, I think Bay is kind of like, it can either be boyfriend or best friend. In my case, it's best friend. So this is one of my pictures that my best friend really, really, really likes. So yeah, and in the comments, my other best friend is like, I selected it first. So yeah, basically both my friends fighting on who likes the picture more. But yeah, this was posted on February 9th, 2018, so over 2 years back. But yeah, this I believe was taken again in a restaurant, if I'm not wrong. The background doesn't look like my house. And yeah, I've used the square fit uh, editing option on PixArt. So yeah, I'm honestly still obsessed with that editing feature, the one in which I can, like, size the picture in a way where there's a little bit of the background. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I don't really have much to say about this picture, to be very honest. But yeah, I love that Snapchat filter. I freaking love it. Till date, I wish Snapchat still had it. But yeah, we're gonna move on to the next picture. 15. Okay, the number is 15, and let's see which was my 15th post on Instagram. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this is a picture with me and two of my closest cousins. So I don't know how many times I have mentioned this in videos or on Instagram, but I have four maternal cousin brothers, and these are two of them. So they are not real siblings, but the guy in the white shirt is my brother from my like beach valley mossy. So my mom has two older sisters. So the one in the white shirt is the son of like the younger one among the two, like the beach valley behan, and then the guy in the black shirt is the younger son of my oldest mossy, or Masi, whatever you want to say. So yeah, this is a picture that was taken 3 Rakhis ago, August 17th, 2018. And yeah, the caption says, one of my most special Raksha Bandhan that I'll always remember, and you both definitely made it memorable for life. Hashtag my bodyguards, hashtag my pillars, hashtag my monkeys. So yeah, these two are probably my closest cousins among the four of my cousins. And when I say cousins, I mean only my brothers, because yeah, I have cousin sisters as well. But yeah, it was definitely a memorable Raksha Bandhan. And okay, I yeah. Okay, so yeah, if you can tell, the background is of this picture is the same as the background right now as well. It was taken in the pretty much same angle. We were probably standing right here, and yeah, I don't really have anything much to say, but yeah, definitely a memorable picture. It also reminds me how long my hair once was. Like literally, this is like below the butt, and now my hair barely comes up to my waist. Also, I'm sorry for the glare. I'm trying to avoid it as much as possible. But yeah, that's all that I have to say about this picture. Um, let's move on to the next number, 33. Okay, wait, let me show you. I forgot to show you. Yeah, 33 is the next number, and which was my 33rd post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 33. Okay, this is my best friend, you guys. So this post is basically It was posted on September 21st, 2017, which is around, I want to say, 2.5 years ago. 21st September is my best friend's birthday. So this picture was basically one of those. You dedicate a post to your best friends on their birthday kind of a post. It's a very long caption, but I'm still gonna read it to you because it's really funny. So it says, "Ye finally our Bachi is 18 now." Bachi is, by the way, her pet name or like her nickname. By the way, that's what both of us call her. Like honestly, you'll never grow up for us. But can we just talk about how time flies? We were 15 when we first met, and today celebrating each other's birthday, being the first ones to wish each other. We've come such a long way. I still remember how we met as train friends on our first day in junior college. It should be. I, I am realizing the typos now in the caption. Oh my god. Uh, on our first day in junior college, those 2 years saw tons of ups and downs, but now the bond is as strong as it can be. I can explain how much you mean to me. You're the first one who made me trust and believe in true friendship. After years of being friendliest, you've changed a Benji and made her a diva. I owe a major part of my life to you because you played a major role in making me what I am today. Okay, the caption is really long, you guys. I'm sorry if you're bored. Forget being a beauty blogger and a YouTuber. I wouldn't be wearing makeup if you wouldn't be a part of my life. This is very, very true. No matter how long we wait for your reply or for you to receive our call, we'll wait because you're worth every second. Wish you the best birthday ever. And then I tag her in the end. And yeah, it's got a lot of pictures of us together. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so it's got a ton of pictures. This is us together on my birthday. This is another one. Okay, yeah. If she watches this video, she is gonna probably kill me because I am sharing so many embarrassing pictures of her. This is another collage of like disgusting pictures of her. So yeah, I just hope she doesn't watch this video because she's probably gonna kill me. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly just generate one more number and share one more picture with you. Okay, 41. I'm assuming this is the recent one, obviously. Okay, this is the 41st post. So this is basically me. So again, let me give you a little bit of background. I feel like most of you have been following me for a really long time. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm sweating. Okay, so yeah, this picture is from, it's taken in my college, and it's basically me with my college senior and my college junior. So it's me in the middle. The girl with specs on her head is my senior, and the other girl is my junior. So the caption says the three generations of events, hashtag Zenith Forever, hashtag Team Events. So for those of you who don't know, I was a part of my college committee, which the one that organizes fests and all of that. So we have made, like, we have a lot of committees, but there is a management students committee. Like all of the BMS students have one committee which is called Zenith. Like the fest is called Zenith, and I've been a part of it for 2 years. So first year and second year. This is again from second year. It was this picture was posted on October 20th, 2018. I'm not sure if it was taken on the same day or not, but yeah, so basically this was I think one of our first events and one of my first events as an event head. So in my second year I was the event head, and the the girl I mentioned who was my senior was my event head when I was in first year, and this girl, the third one, was basically one of my team members and one of the members of the events department. So yeah, I just wanted a picture. Like normally there are pictures where you have your nanny, you have your mom, and you have you, but then in my case I can't have one of those unless and until I'm the mother. But yeah, I never got to actually meet my nanny because she passed away before I was born, so I never got to take one of those pictures with my nanny. So I don't know, I just wanted to take a picture like this with my senior, me, and my junior. So yeah, I took this picture and I wanted to post it and have it on my feed. So yeah, that's the story of this picture. And yeah, that is pretty much it. 5 of my pictures, I feel like there was nothing very embarrassing among all of these. And honestly, I don't even have a lot of embarrassing pictures on my Instagram anymore because I probably deleted majority of those. So yeah, that was it. I don't want to make this video super duper long, but I really hope that you found it helpful. I mean, it was definitely not helpful. It was probably fun. Let me know if this video was fun to watch for you guys or not. Leave it in the comment section down below. Let me know if you want me to do like maybe a part 2 to this and share some more pictures and story behind the pictures. Or maybe you want me to do like a Facebook version. I feel like I'll have a lot of embarrassing photos on my Facebook. I don't even want to delete them anymore. Yeah, Facebook is a lot more embarrassing than Instagram is. Instagram, I feel like, is more nostalgic than embarrassing. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do any more versions to this and if you found it fun. So yeah, leave that in the comment section down below. Definitely make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and yeah, hit on the bell button. Follow me on my Instagram, not this one, but the other one, the beauty profile Instagram. I will leave that handle in the description box as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you had fun, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Until next time, bye.